Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, for today, I would like to maybe get some. We discuss how we make update function um, and, and fixing if there were some error. So in here, don't forget for make the roots. We are this project is for API to do. And here I've made the thing for our API, and don't forget to make the fillable so we can input the input that we input at the text box. And here, okay, the first, of course, we made the what is it, the function, and we use request for take to connect with the input and ID, of course, and make the request. Okay, here make the request. So what is the inside of request that we will input? So we will input our to the content, and it's required, and the status. Okay, then and then after that we should connect to the model of our projects and do the update. So use update function from Laravel that was uh, inside of it. We input the request that was validate the and input all of the request data in all of the data inside the request variable. And then we return it. Return the make the as the variable. So just say return the new to the resource. So we input the resource here. So we'll return the ID. It was alphabetically, and this and created at using the date format. And then so after all of it, make sure, and then our URL is to do an ID. So means we took the ID here inside of here. If you see the $ID were take from here, and this one was connected with the index with the number ID number. So just let's see. Okay, okay. In here we have our URL and then the ID of the data we want to update, like from before 65 to 75 and send. Okay, in here we have errors, so we cannot. Okay, so don't forget, if post is for post your data or maybe store your data, and then using patch for uh, update the data like inside of the code survey in here. But we have some problems that make we cannot update the here from on progress to be still on progress. Why? And in here we have no error trigger or something or message. So how to solve it? We have another way to pause, but we add the method for patch. Here we make or initialize the method, and then the method is patch. Yes, we can store the data, and let's check here. Okay, it was changed. So the conclusion we can write like this, just using pause and then add the method, initialize the method, and the value is patch for make it patch to update our data, so it can be stored. So it's one of many way to solve it. Okay, next, how we can, if you see in here, the table for related add was null. How we can make it, maybe input the data or using softDeletes. So softDeletes is kind of eloquent of Laravel. If we use it, will not delete it permanently. So um, we can still see or maybe use the data for to or something like that. It depends. So how we can do that? So we go to the code and then to the models. If you see, normally we don't have this thing, and we have no this. It's from the normal or the base of the file have no more eloquent. Uh, it's only using hash factory. So then we add the softDeletes, and then next make the function for relate. Here I call the model and Laravel and to do delay and then make the response, and then uh, and then make the roots that was using delay and the ID like patch. So it will delay regarding according to the ID, and here we make the request and change it to delete. We have not we doesn't need to insert, no, maybe add the key of the in params or the authorization or other things. You don't have to do that. Just use change the request to delete and type the ID that you want to delete. Maybe just for example 16. Yeah. If I have. No, I haven't. I have that one. Oh, 13. 13. And then send. So it will give the message, and then let's see to do this. In here we have um, we cannot see the data, and then to the PHP admin. You can see here there were date when we iterated add, and I do also to the fourth and the first just for testing. So it will not move. But if they light off, it won't show at what we say at postman. So if you want to see, you have to see at the page with my admin. So maybe that's all.